Hello students. So in this video, we are going to talk about NMIMS Law Entrance Exam, that is Law Admission Test. So this Law Admission Test, NLAT, which is called, is conducted by NMIMS. And this year, they are conducting this exam in two phases. That has created some confusion in students. Apart from that, we'll be looking at the exam pattern, the weightage of each sections, important dates, fee structure, or I should be saying the fee for appearing in this exam, and we'll be talking about all those aspects. So let's get into it. So once you come to this website, which is nlat.nmims.edu, here you can find two important documents which will give you a clear picture of what this exam is about. Now, or how this exam is conducted. So if you want to see the sample question paper, you can find it here, as you can see. The other thing is important dates on handout. We are going to analyze this particular thing in this video. Right. Now, as you can see, there are different exams in order to get into this university. For law, it is NLAT, which is called NMIMS Law Admission Test, right? Now, for this particular course, right, there are almost 5 colleges. So NMIMS have 5 campuses. Apart from its Mumbai and Navi Mumbai campus, they have other campuses also. So this exam is common exam, that is the marks of which will be taken into consideration in order for admission into all of the colleges under this particular NMIMS, right? Now, apart from that, I will tell you what is the allotment system and how it would work. Apart from that, if you look at the important dates here, you can find it in the PDF. The registration starts from 20 and it ends on 26th March 2025. This is for phase 1, and there will be another phase that will be open from 27 to 26. Now here you have to know two things. One, you can give multiple attempts combined in both the phases. That means you can give 2 attempts in the first phase and 2 attempts in the next phase also. In any case, uh, your best score will be taken into consideration in order to draw the merit list. Right. So these are the dates for the first phase, as you can see, and these are the dates for the second phase. Right. Second phase ends on 26th May and first phase ends on 26th March. Right. Now, as I've told you, there is Chandigarh campus, Hyderabad campus, Indore campus. So the counseling will be conducted at whatever place which is convenient to you. So you don't have to travel to Mumbai. The counseling process will be conducted at the closest NMIMS campus that is there. Apart from there, they have given the addresses of those campuses here. Now, if we talk about the weightage of each section in law exam, we have all those 5 sections which we also have in CLAT, that is verbal reasoning, GK, quantitative aptitude or reasoning, logical reasoning and legal reasoning. But the only difference is here the weightage for all of the sections is same. That is, all of the section have 20% weightage in this exam, right? 100 divided by 5. Now, if you look at the registration process, it's simple. They have given the registration links. You have to click at that particular link and you have to do this particular thing. Now, if we talk about the fee payment here, so the fee payment structure is little confusing here. So if we come to the law portion, right, they have given first attempt in category, retake in same category, and retake in second retake in same category. So for the first category is first phase. In that, for each college, you need to pay 2,000, right? And it doesn't change with subsequent attempts, if you see, right? So you can retake 2 for the second retake also, or for the first retake, or the main one also. For each one, it's 2,000 rupees, right? Apart from that, it mentions about the drawing of merit list, and it says that after the second phase is concluded, both based on the scores which were tallied in the first phase and which were tallied in the second phase. That means a student might have appeared in both the phases. In that case, his best score. Or say I have appeared in the first phase, but my friend appeared in the second phase, which happened to be easy, right? That's why people go for multiple attempts, right? But the thing here is, now the seats between those who are selected from phase 1 and phase 2 will be selected by the college based on their discretion. This is something that they have mentioned in the notification as well. We'll look at that. Now here, if you see, just give me a second. Right, so I can't find it, but it's given in the notification itself that from phase to phase one and phase two, it will be the discretion. And apart from that, they have also mentioned about the documents that are required. It says that in class 12, you should have scored at least 50%. So that eligibility criteria remains there. So you need to provide proof for that. So apart from that, I don't think so notification talks about anything in detail. Apart from that phase one, phase two confusion, which I have already talked about. If you still have doubt, you can reach us through the comment box. I hope that this video was useful. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh.